Hi, this is Keith from Boat Lift Lock. Today we're going to be showing you how to install or how to set up boat lift lock arms on this 30-foot Cobalt, beautiful boat on the river in Cape Coral. So let's see how long it takes to deploy the system. Arm one locked in. Now the boat is moving and it's a heavy boat, so the first one you have to tweak a little bit to get in, but after that it's fairly simple. Take the arm off the piling, drop it down in position, no tools required, engage it into the left, and install the pin. One side of the boat done. This side of the boat has adjustable turnbuckles, so if you really want to tighten the lift up, you're able to, after all four arms are deployed, you can adjust this side to tighten the lift. Onto the outboard side. The arms are in the stored position right now on the pilings. To deploy on the solid side, remove the pin from the storage cart. Drop the arm into place, engage it to the lift, and install the pin into the lift. Third one done. And the final one. Rear of the boat, opposite side, piling mount in the stored position with the arm, drop it down. Engage it to the left. Install the pin. If you were timing that, I bet you it was less than 2 minutes. BoatLiftLock.com. Storm protection for your boat lift.